Attack of the Bullfrogs by Teresa Shea. Attack of the Bullfrogs. Quiet down. Jug-a-rum, jug-a-rum. What's that noise? If you're near a pond or lake, it might be a bullfrog. The American bullfrog is the largest North American frog. It can weigh as much as 1 pound. Bullfrogs have a deep call or croak that can be heard a half a mile away. Some think the croak sounds like the noise a bull makes. That's how the frog got its name. That croak means trouble in some parts of the world. Read on to find out why. Bullfrogs are usually green or brown with a white or yellow underside. A bullfrog's body is about 8 inches long. At home with bullfrogs. The American bullfrog is native to the central and eastern United States and southeastern Canada. Like all frogs, bullfrogs are amphibians. They need to live in or near freshwater bodies of water. Bullfrogs like warm, calm, shallow water, such as in ponds and lakes. Only male bullfrogs make the famous bullfrog croak. They do this to draw mates. Mating season takes place from May to July in the north and from February to October in the south. Female bullfrogs are larger than males. A lot of eggs. The female bullfrog lays her eggs in water. She may lay close to 20,000 eggs at a time. The male bullfrog then fertilizes them. The eggs float on the water's surface. When the eggs hatch, the bullfrog tadpoles live in water. Over time, they grow legs and lose their tail. It may take as long as 4 years, but the tadpoles come out of the water as adult bullfrogs. Another 2 years may pass before the bullfrogs are old enough to mate. Bullfrog tadpoles hatch about 4 days after the eggs are fertilized. More survivors. Other kinds of North American frogs only lay a few thousand eggs. This might sound like a lot, but many eggs, tadpoles, and young frogs are eaten before they become adults. Bullfrogs lay many more thousands of eggs. So many more bullfrogs survive to become adults. Bullfrog eggs and tadpoles also survive because they don't taste good to many fish. Bullfrog predators include herons, turtles, water snakes, and raccoons. People who eat frog legs may hunt bullfrogs too. This great egret has found itself a bullfrog snack. Spreading out. The American bullfrog has spread into the western United States, northern Canada, Mexico, and Cuba. Some of the spread was by accident. People have accidentally picked up bullfrog eggs when they've taken water from one source to fill other ponds and lakes. In other places, people introduced bullfrogs on purpose as a food source. Bullfrogs spread naturally too. They like to live alone and have their own territory. A territory might include from 10 to 80 feet along the water's edge. Bullfrogs range. Bullfrogs can be found in Europe, South America, and Asia too. Unwelcome guests. Bullfrogs are an invasive species of non-native habitats. That means they harm these habitats. They outcompete other animals for food, leaving less food than usual. And bullfrogs can really eat. Bullfrogs eat snakes, worms, bugs, eggs, mice, birds, and other frogs. The bullfrog's hunger is also a problem when they eat endangered species. Bullfrogs hunt at night, waiting silently for prey to pass. When something tasty comes by, they jump on it. If an animal fits in a bullfrog's mouth, it's dinner. This bullfrog snacks on a worm. Spreading disease. Bullfrogs also spread disease. Frogs all over the world can die from the chytrid fungus. It causes a skin disease that can kill amphibians in just weeks. Infected animals spread the fungus when they're set free in the wild or when water they've used to dump is dumped into a lake or pond. The bullfrog trade plays a part in the fungus spread. Each year, more than 5 million bullfrogs are imported to New York City and to San Francisco and Los Angeles, California. Many of these bullfrogs carry the fungus and infect other frogs. Millions of bullfrogs are shipped to the United States each year as food and pets. Many people are hoping to stop this trade. Plan of action. In many areas of the United States and Canada, people are taking action against bullfrogs in non-native habitats. Governments are allowing people to hunt them and collect bullfrog eggs and tadpoles. They're also introducing animals that are known to eat bullfrogs, such as largemouth bass, into the habitats. Some places have laws that make it illegal to sell, move, or keep bullfrogs. Still, bullfrogs are very hard to control. They have so many young and can easily hop from one water source to another. Bullfrogs don't have many predators in non-native habitats, which makes it hard to keep their population in check. You can help. According to a recent study, about 1/3 of all amphibian species are in danger of dying out. Reasons include habitat destruction, the chytrid fungus, and pollution. Hungry bullfrogs make things worse when they're introduced into new places. You can help with the fight against invasive bullfrogs. Don't buy bullfrogs or bullfrog tadpoles from stores. Spread the word to neighbors who might buy bullfrogs for backyard ponds. Bullfrogs aren't all bad, they just need to stay in their own habitats. Stop those frogs.